YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. We got another quick fix video on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. We are actually going to take off these tires and show you guys how to put them back on. Really simple process. These are just a rubber tire. They are specific to this cleaner because they are a wider tire than your traditional, let's use a Zodiac in here. They use a C10 tire, which is a much thinner rubber tire. So Pentair does give you these beefier rubber tires, just trying to get a wider run on the cleaner. So over time these get really sticky and gunky, and you'll see that if you do have like a diving pool, whether it be gunite or pebble tech, sometimes it'll start having a difficult time climbing because these will just get so bald and so smooth. They already are super smooth, but over time they tend to get a lot of divots and pieces in them. So really simple process. I like to just flip the cleaner up on the side so that you can get a good grip onto everything. And you're just gonna grab the rubber part from the back and you're just gonna peel it forward so that it just pops off the tires. And as you guys can see with these platinum tires, they do have like little teeth on the tires themselves, which also helps make sure that as the inside of these tires wear, it kind of grabs and holds on to these so that it doesn't just keep slipping around the actual wheel of the cleaner. So once you get your new one, they are not directional. In this case, both sides say Legend Platinum, showing you that they're OEM from Pentair. So there's not really a way to do it. Doesn't matter if you put them on this way, put them on that way. They're both going to give you the same kind of functionality. You're just simply going to do it just like you would with a typical tire. Is you're just going to make sure you get one side fed around the back, and then you just kind of work your way all the way around and feed it over the wheel of the cleaner until you get the back lip right over the edge of the wheel itself. You guys can feel it. On the front end, you shouldn't see any more of the teeth as you saw when the tire came off. And then on the back end, it should have a little bit just to grab on the back so that it doesn't just slip right off the tire. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got all these items available on ePoolSupply.com. I'm Kyle, thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.